Welcome to Child Australia Berry Springs Outside School Hours Care. Berry Springs OSH offers community after-school care and vacation care from preschool to grade 6. Come on inside and let us show you around. Step inside and you'll find a space full of imagination, a cosy corner for curling up with a book, blocks taking shape into something new, drawing at the table, and plenty of pretend play as children bring their own stories to life. Children absolutely adore the outdoor areas. With a sprawling grassy space and a cosy covered area, they have the perfect spots to dive into fun and exciting ball games. It's the ideal place for laughter and play after a long day at school. Healthy food is also an important part of our day. We provide nutritious afternoon tea each day, giving children the energy they need after school while encouraging healthy eating habits. Behind Child Australia Berry Springs OSH is a passionate team of educators. Our educators design activities based on what the children love, growing friendships, confidence, and a bit of independence along the way. At Child Australia, we're proud to be a not-for-profit organisation. That means every decision we make is guided by what's best for children, families, and our community. We'd love to welcome your family to Child Australia Berry Springs OSH. Come and meet our team. We look forward to seeing you soon.